Alright guys, so quick video about how to replace the transmission fluid on 2017 Toyota Prius. So I'm in the front of the car, that means on the right side is the transmission and left side is the engine. So don't confuse them, okay? Alright, the next step is here is the plug that you drain the fluid, and behind the transmission we have the plug that we refill the transmission back with a brand new fluid. Okay, now to take the plug out we need 10mm hexagon socket, and we unscrew the lower plug from the transmission. After it's drained, we put the plug back and we tied it up and prepare to unscrew the rear plug to refill the transmission. To remove the second plug, we use the same 10mm hexagon socket. They are the same plugs, so there is no problems to be removed. Now we are ready to pump the transmission fluid back to the transmission, and I'm going to use the OEM original transmission fluid from Toyota dealer, which I need 3.8 quarts to put it back. That's the way you pump the transmission fluid back to the transmission. And one more time, don't forget to put 3.8 quarts. This is the information that I got from the dealer, and this is the same information that I found out in the internet. So yeah, but still you can drain the old fluid and make sure you put the same amount back in the transmission. Alright guys, sometimes when you pump up the fluid, the well can come out, so just start your car and pump it up 3.8, and when it's done, just put the plug back and all is done. That's it, the car is ready to go. My job is done here. That was mechanic mode. See you next time. Bye.